Welcome back to Pro Codes. Talking about the latest updates in iOS. The new iOS 14 update allows users to set third-party apps as their default web browser, or mail client. Browsers, Google Chrome and Microsoft's Edge also support the new iOS 14 feature. Among the popular email clients, users can now set Microsoft's Outlook as their default mail client, but Gmail cannot yet be added as a default client. Popular web browser Duckduckgo released an update that enables users to set the iOS app as a system default in iOS 14. In addition to the default browser option, Duckduckgo update enables users to add web search and favorites to the home screen in the form of widgets. The app can be free downloaded from the iOS App Store. After you install Duckduckgo Privacy Browser, here's how you can now make it the default browser in iOS 14. Open the Settings app. Find Duckduckgo. Tap Default Browser App. Select Duckduckgo. And that's it for now. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.